Hello, how's everybody doing today? So today is now April the 19th. It's a Saturday. It's about noon right now. I apologize for not uploading videos. It's been really nice out, and I've been following the playoffs a lot lately. So yeah, so I want to be very honest about my position. I have finally entered a short position after waiting for many days, okay? And I haven't been trading at all whatsoever. So I'm going to do a very quick basic analysis for you guys. It's Friday. It's going to be the first day that's actually over 18 degrees here in Winnipeg, 18 degrees Celsius, and that's a beautiful thing because just a month ago it was about minus 20. So guys, this thing is looking very bearish to me right now. 3 hour candle is the one that's kind of, actually the 2 hour is the one that's kind of giving away from me right now, okay? So the reason why it is giving it away is because this one is the one rejecting up to 53.84, right? It rejected 1.35%. It's a very ugly looking kind of candle right now. I think the 1 hour one closed really ugly too. Yeah, but now we're actually staying above this 55 EMA, which is a really good sign, right? If we just keep staying above here, eventually there could be some sort of breakout. And if there is a breakout, the next relevant resistance would absolutely be this one over here, right? Right anywhere between these wicked regions, 54.30 all the way to 54.88. That's going to be a major resistance. So my goal is to long here if we do break out, but it wasn't really going to happen. This trend line keeps getting higher and higher, if you notice, right? Take a look. This sloped trend line established from April the 11th has been getting sloped more and more and more and more, but it's also reaching the point where it's surpassing 53.30. So if the slope is like up to there, right, like it's going to keep getting rejected up to here sometimes. So the goal would be to break out from here, go along at 54.30, right? We've been waiting for so many times, and then go to one of these regions and go for right the middle, maybe 54.50. Stop loss very tight, guys, like 1%. You still get yourself a 2.17 risk to reward ratio, and that's actually a pretty good high probability trade for a long position. But as it stands right now, guys, I am in a short position. I'm whatever, $14 up right now, just 2 Bitcoin, $10,000. Where's my short target? My short target is actually going to be about 4,990. Yeah, so I'm hoping to make about $300 off of this 10K swing position for a quick 300% profit. Do you guys think it's possible? What do you think? Share with me your thoughts. I'm looking for a lot more comments from you guys, okay? No offense, you're not commenting enough, you're not tweeting enough, you're not replying enough to these messages. Write in them so I can reply to you, because most of my days I want to spend helping you guys, right? Sometimes there's not really many people to respond to. Maybe once burned, twice shy. But please give me another chance, because I would really like to respond to a lot of you. And if you have specific questions about my technical analysis, or if you have specific questions about not just my technical analysis, but generally speaking, technical analysis, I'd be very happy to help you. But always keep in mind that I don't pretend to know something I don't know, right? If you guys are going to ask me about things like clouds, I'm going to tell you I don't know anything about clouds, right? If you guys are going to tell me or ask me something about boiler bands, I'm also going to tell you that I've never used them thoroughly ever before, right? I specialize in MACD, RSI, etc., etc. So that's a pretty big rejection candle, right, guys? I'm not sure what else to say. As long as we trend well above the 55 EMA, we'll be okay. But the main goal of mine is honestly to trend well above the 55 EMA. Okay, the 55 EMA on the 4 hour chart, and specifically the 2 hour EMA. Where is this even? Yeah, there you go, over here. Okay. So if we broke below, like for example, 47.50, I would be really worried, okay? I'd be really freaking worried about this whole thing. So I'm just gonna assume that this is part of the corrective structure in there. Some people assume that this is a B. Could be a B. It could very well be a B, but I've got no choice but to use it not as a B right now, like how everyone else is doing it, which I don't like. So the way that I'm seeing this is perhaps like that, okay, of this structure right here. And I see this is coming down still, like that. At least to 48.90, okay? That's why I'm in a short position, guys. I can't help but take them when I see these signs. So the goal of a trader is to try to lean one way more than the other. And we also have to figure out why we are not going to take some trades, right? There are many trades out there that we can take, but we know that we shouldn't, because you have to protect your capital. Let's say you only had a finite amount of money, right? Well, you don't want to put something into something that might gain you up 1% over 2 weeks, right? when you can find another hot coin that can gain you 1% in 1 hour or something like that. So it's just a matter of I can't speak properly today, I'm not sure why. Allocating your resources to what is most profitable at that specific time that will yield the most results with the least amount of risk and exposure. That's kind of how it is, right? So yeah, this coin, Bitcoin is going to dictate the market, of course. If this ends up moving down or up any percentage, any other coin will move a percentage of it with a multiplying factor as well. So that's my bearish count, guys, where we're actually done right now. And then we're going to go to 48.99, 4,900 about. If we go past well below 47.50, like it's going to be some trouble, guys. So now we can't break above here, can we? Right? Keep an eye for this resistance right there. If it does break, wicked. You can get yourself a 2% scalp all the way to 54.50. So that is my kind of thoughts for the day. I hope you guys are happy with this very basic type of technical analysis. I think they're very important for the day. So have yourselves a wonderful day, and I'll catch up with you soon, baby whales. Bye now. Take care.